Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change passenger name on Lufthansa. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Lufthansa account, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, how can you create an account on Lufthansa? Pretty simple. Launch any browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar for browser, type lufthansa.com. That's going to take you into the official website for Lufthansa. Once you get into the website, at the top right corner of your screen, you're going to see the login/registration button. Click on that and follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account. Now, after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Lufthansa. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to change passenger name on Lufthansa. All right, so from this homepage, all you need to do is at the top right corner of the screen where you have these tabs which include book and prepare, my bookings, and discover Lufthansa. Click on my bookings. So under my bookings, you have these two categories which include manage and extra services. Under manage, you have check-in, flight status, manage booking, seat reservation, rebook, cancellation and refund, passenger receipt, delayed and damaged baggage. So go ahead and click on manage bookings. Once you click on manage bookings, it's going to take you right into the booking list where you're going to find a list of all your bookings in one place. So once you find your bookings, all the bookings that you have made, right next to your booking, you're going to see the view order details option at the right corner. So click on that. It's going to take you to a window. In that window, you're definitely going to find the option for you to rename. So click on the rename button. After clicking on the rename button, then you need to enter valid document and reason for the change of name. All right, for legal reasons, just anything you want to do, just go ahead and add the reason. So after adding the reason, that's going to be it. So find your booking here, click on view all the details, take you to the window, click on the rename option. After clicking on the rename option, enter the valid document and the reason for the change of name. And after doing that, Lufthansa is going to actually help you to change your name. So that's pretty much the process. This is how you can change passenger name on Lufthansa. I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.